Hi friends, how are you? My name is Jesus Rodriguez. This is me. And all of us are teachers at the etwinning project. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to become contacts. Fulia and me, we're also contacts, so I'm going to show you how to add Euphemia, Anna, and Airigi. I don't know how to pronounce exactly this name. Okay, the first thing I have to do is going to etwinning live or etwinning live. Okay, and here in people it's in Spanish, but I think in English or your own language will be the same. In people, we're going to find 4 people. So I'm going to write here the names, your names. And the first one is Euphemia, so I link here at her name, and then become contacts. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same with the rest of the partners. So Euphemia is, now I'm going to look for Anna. Here is Anna from Romania. Okay, so the same. So perhaps Anna is going to be my contact. And the last we're going to find Airigi. I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say correctly your name. From Macedonia. Okay, so we're going to be contacts. Okay, so if you want to know more about me, you can search at my profile, and so we can know what just much better. Okay, see you soon at Twin Space. Greeting from Spain. Bye bye, adios.